Hi, this is Paul Pana, and firstly I'd like to thank you for visiting this website. And in just a moment I'll show you the members area of copy-paste systems. And the reason why I want to show you the members area is very simple. There are no gimmicks, tricks, or anything like that. What is presented on this page is exactly what you're going to be getting in the members area. So let me quickly go over to the members area and show you exactly what you're going to get, okay? Okay, let's go right now. Okay, we are in the members area right now, okay? And let me quickly go through the systems. Yeah, here you see the systems, there are tutorials, then the ads, and then there are more campaigns. There are ads for that, there are more campaigns, there are ads for that, there are 3 more campaigns and ads, and there are more campaigns and ads. You get the exact campaigns, ads, pictures, everything like that. All the other good stuff and everything you need. More ads here, another system there, a couple of other ads, and there's another system here. Go over the overview of that system. Then there are more campaigns and ads and offers for that. Give you everything, and we show you how to create it in step-by-step detail. Then we give you reverse squeeze pages and follow-up emails and articles and keyword lists and affiliate programs. These are great for you to quickly start selling things without actually building a pretty website or anything like that, right? And let me just quickly go down and show you the famous 2-hour cash machine system. This is one of our fast action bonuses, and I cannot guarantee that when you hit the members area you will see this, but it is a fast action bonus, and while it is shown in the page you're in right now, you will see this in the members area. And I can't share too much about it because it is a fast action bonus. And then we have the hot niche video squeeze pages, and this is a $997 value, and this is a fast action bonus as well. Okay, so that's the members area. Okay, it's just straightforward, no gimmicks, no tricks, anything like that. What's promised in this page is exactly what you'll be getting, and I believe in over delivering on our promises, and so you will see exactly what we are offering, which are the campaigns, ads, keywords, and everything else you need to do. It's almost plug and play, where you copy and paste, and you can have your own sales and affiliate commissions hitting your bank account pretty quickly.